going to need some adjusting, but let's go ahead and kind of tighten it up so it's not going to slip. Now you notice I only put 3 of them in because the other one doesn't have a washer, which is interesting. Why would one of them not have a washer, but the other 3 do? Could be that it bounced away. Although I don't see it. Yes, I do. Found it. Alright, before I tighten this down, I'm going to look back at the book. Put the paste on, get it in the right position, put them in 4 times, and then this has a little torque thing on it, and it says to torque it to basically between the 2nd and the 3rd, almost the halfway mark on there. Let's do that. Okay. That one's loose. All right, we're done there. Next, cockpit with wedge. I don't know what that means. I don't know if I need that. It's a something, so it's showing a cockpit here and putting in some sort of little wedge, but my cockpit's already together. And I do know that this is optional, warning optional. I think I'm going to skip it for now, only because I don't think I need to do that. I don't know, again, no instructions. Alright, now we're going to put the seat post in. Starting to look like a bike. Seat's off. Starting to look more like a bike, for sure. Alright, seat post. So I just turned this around to the right position so it's in the back as it should be. And boy, this really would be nice with a bike rack, but I don't have one. So, all right, next it says to use some of the paste on the carbon only. This is not the carbon, this is the aluminum frame. So we are going to skip that piece and go on to the next step, which is to insert the seat posts. Alright. Seat post inserted. I'm assuming we need to tighten it up, right? Oh yeah. So tighten that up, and then it gives us a chart. And that chart is how tall are you to the total length of the seat post. Now that's something I can come back and adjust later, which I will do. So let's do that. Where's that tool? So it just says tighten that up. I'm going to set the book down. Alright, that's going to have to be adjusted later anyway. Seats on. Alright, now all of a sudden it says version A. And this is about adjusting the height, pitch of the seat. I'm not going to worry about that now. I will do all that when I get to fitting the bike for myself. Right now I just want to get it together. Alright, now it says front wheel assembly. And it says do not squeeze the brakes. Okay, put the front wheel on. I mean, that's pretty much all it shows. Don't squeeze the brakes. Take the wheel, put it on. Okay, let's do it. I do need to get this off of here. I'm going to switch this over here. Alright, we have the cardboard off. I'm going to take this rubber band off of this. Get this plastic off of here. Put the front wheel on. Brakes are over here. I'm assuming this needs to go over here. Now what it doesn't say is where I insert, oh, that comes out. So I bet this goes in between there. Like that. This goes in. Tightens up. Not sure how tight to do it, so I'm not going to do it real tight. Front wheel on. we've got the front wheel on. Boy, we're just cruising along here. Alright, front wheel assembly complete. Take out the little orange thingy. Oh, this is for the back wheel. Okay. It says front wheel assembly. And now it says RD hanger installation. RD. Rear differential, maybe? So it says, shows a picture of a cable, and the cable needs to go around the outside and connect to the derailleur. So let's call RD rear derailleur. Shows two different pictures. One is inside of the frame, the other is outside the frame. So let's do that next. Are you enjoying yourself? I don't even know if I videotaped half this shit. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Alright, I do notice that this goes around the outside of the frame as it should. There's a piece of tape on here. There is some plastic on here. Quite honestly, I am confused. I don't know what this means. I get this. Make sure it's around the outside. Then it says to move. I guess if it's upside down. I really don't know what I'm supposed to do. It shows this rear derailleur in orange, and it says move it this way. Now, here's something I do notice, there's no wheel. So I think this may have already been done. Because it's already installed, it's already on there. I'm going to continue. Get this in there, don't squeeze the brakes. Get that in there. I think this is already all done. Now there is something here that says warning. Self-adjusting brakes. Do not activate brake lever when the wheel is dismounted. So wheel is not dismounted. In fact, it shows putting the wheel on. So I'm actually just going to skip this. It's already done. Alright, pedal installation is next. Let's install some pedals. this might have been the stupidest idea I've ever had. Pretty sure I just broke my tripod or my phone. You know what? Alexa, set hallway to cool.